Hi everyone, this is our project and we're going to be talking about lab equipment by Emilio
And Jordan.
Today we're going to talk about some of the basic lab equipment we use in science lab. Knowing how to use these tools is important for doing experiments the right way. We'll cover over some common equipments that what they're for and why they matter. Before we get started, always remember safety comes first. Make sure to wear your goggles, gloves, and lab coat, and always follow the safety rules when using any equipment in the lab to avoid accidents.
First up, glassware. Beakers and flasks are your go-to containers for mixing and heating liquids. Graduated cylinders are for measuring volumes, but remember, they're not super precise. For accurate measurements, you want to use a pipette or a burette. Always handle glassware carefully and report any chips or cracks to your teacher immediately. Next, let's talk about heating and sewing. Bunsen burners are classic for heating, but hot plates are often safer and more controlled. Steering rods are simple but effective for mixing, and magnetic stirrers are great for continuously mixing. Remember to always use your heat-resistant gloves when handling high equipment. Finally, measuring and analysis tools. Balances are crucial for measuring mass accurately, and spectrometers help analyze the composition of substances by measuring light absorption.
Don't forget about pH meters or measuring acidity or alkalinity. Always calibrate your instruments before using and following the instructions carefully. Next thing we're going to talk about are test tubes and racks. You've probably seen test tubes in the lab. These are small glass tubes that hold liquids or solids. We use test tubes racks to hold them so they don't fall over or roll around. Next, we're going to talk about measuring. For measuring weight, we use balances or scales. Balances are really accurate and used for weighing small amounts of stuff like chemicals in a science experiment. Also, racks, we use the test tube racks to hold them so they don't fall over or roll around.
Goggles. Goggles protect the eyes from various hazards, including chemical splashes, flying dirt, and other eye irritations. Goggles are essentials when working with chemicals, and they prevent corrosive substance from entering the eye and causing burning or other damage. Goggles protect against the flying objects, particles that injure the eye, such as those generated during grinding, sawing, and other lab activities. Goggles can shield the eyes from irritating mist, vapors, and fumes that may be present in the lab environment. Goggles can offer protection against impact from objects like glass or metal, preventing potential injuries. Some goggles are designed to filter out harmful radiation such as ultraviolet UV light, which can damage the eyes.
To sum up, each piece of the lab equipment is important for different tasks in an experiment. Knowing how to use them properly makes sure your experience goes well and keeps you safe at all times. Always follow instructions and stay safe in the lab.